Okay people, so this is now the shower video. It became very, very evident from your working drawings that none of you actually know how a shower works. So these are the showers. This is my guest shower. And what you can see is we have chosen a different shower for inside the shower than we have for outside the shower. And this over here is the important thing that you need to look at. It's called a shower rail. So what they've done is there's a very, very small upstand over here and over here, onto which they have mounted this aluminium shower frame. Now, it's supposedly frameless, but actually it's not, because you can't just put glass up frameless. It's got that little clippy thing at the bottom, and it's got these little clippy things at the side, and an aluminium rail along the side. Okay, and what that does is it holds the glass. So this clip is actually attached to the tile, and then the glass slips inside. You can see it over there. And then there's a nice seal, just to make sure that the water doesn't get there. And then down at the bottom, the same thing happens. I'm going to go into the shower and close the door so you can actually see what happens. There's just a very, very thin strip of tile onto which a small angle is mounted, and then the door closes onto that. And there are some hinges, and there's that clippy thing over there. So this is called a frameless shower door. That wasn't really the point of this video. The point of the video is to show you that the floor of the shower has to be slightly lower than the floor outside. And if it's not, you have to have some kind of threshold. So obviously what they did here was they forgot to sink the shower screed, sorry. So we have to create this little tile lip, because otherwise the water's going to end up over there instead of over here. All right. And it also forms a kind of a threshold between this kind of mosaic-y stuff that I've got and my beautiful fake travertine tiles. Okay. So then when we get into the shower, this is a very, very important thing over here. It's called the shower drain. And the whole shower floor must be sloped to fall to this drainy thing. And you have to show that on your plans. And then what you also have to do is you have to choose this fitting. Okay, so this is a cool one. It's kind of square and it's got squares, but you can get round ones with round ones. You can get sort of like long ones that look like trays, okay? It is as much of one of your shower fittings to choose as anything else. Because if you don't choose it, the contractor will choose it, and he'll choose something crappy. Okay, then another thing that you all forgot were things like that. Soap holders or little shelves in your showers, okay? Those are very important. Where do you put your shampoo? See, usually if you don't provide them with this little shelf, that's where the shampoo has to go. Okay, you all remembered your shower mixer and your shower rose, but how many of you actually chose a telephone rose? Okay, very, very useful in a shower for doing things like washing your feet. There's another soap holder. It's just for the shampoo and stuff. Okay, so one of the other things that you all forgot in your bathroom sanitary wear details was things like robe hooks and towel rails. Okay, and you were doing a pull house, which means that if you don't provide the towel rails, the wet towels are going to end up on the floor. So when you go back and amend it, make sure that you have included towel rails and robe hooks, and put quite a few of them in, because in a pool house you're going to have wet swimming costumes and wet towels hanging everywhere, and you have to tell the contractor where to put it. So this one, we told him to put it equidistant from that wall to that wall, okay? Because otherwise what he would have done is he would have put it over the bath, and then it would have always looked funny because it would have been too close to the window.